G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In the tutorial tonight we're going to look at how to blend an image into a gradient background. So let's start off with creating the color of the background. So I'm going to use the coral red here. Then what we need to do is come over to elements, and I've chosen a image I want to use. So it's a side view photo of a smiling woman. So we'll click that and we will add that to the canvas. Then what we need to do is come over here and remove the background. After removing the background, we're going to enlarge it out. We're going to run this just over here into the corner, and we'll increase the size like so. Alright, now what we want to do is get a gradient. So transparent red gradient. So we'll click on that and bring that into the canvas. We'll then just put that on the bottom like such and drag that up, down a little bit, duplicate, put that over the top there and drag it up. Okay, then what we need to do with that is then bring into the image canvas again the lady. We want to remove the background, then we want to bring this down here, bring her down there as such. Alright, you can do this step before. We want to bring in a white light. So if we bring that white light in there and we place it around there, and then we just bring this lady to the front as such, and what we're going to do is just add one more gradient down the bottom here, and there you have it. We've blended an image into a gradient background. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial. Have fun with Canva, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, drop a comment, and until next time, have fun with Canva.